9 fucking months, man. Crazy. Could have had a whole baby. Time I was gone. Ain't that some shit? Anyways, man, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Naj, your boy T. Welcome back to the channel. For my new supporters that, you know, joined the channel while I was gone. What's good, y'all? Anyways, man, so just to give y'all a quick, you know, rundown of what happened last couple months. I mean, last 9 months. So I basically got a new job, which required me to basically move. So I moved to Texas for about 7-8 months because of work, right? The job that I currently have is not no regular ass job. It's not a 9-to-5 job. It's actually a job that, you know, requires like a lot of attention, a lot of focus and stuff like that. And knowing how much I love YouTube, I couldn't let that get in the way because it was my first year at the job. You know, I had to like basically have a foundation, you know what I'm saying? So don't get me wrong, like I didn't have the time either to film video. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, right? I have my camera with me, my laptop, my hard drive, everything I needed to post a video, but I just didn't have the time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking like, hey, I'm gonna move to Texas. Texas gonna be lit. I'm gonna be filming videos and shit like that. But hell no, it was a complete opposite. But that's all, you know, in the past now. I'm back home. I have a lot of packages laying around. I got some shit from Boo, man. I have other brands, you know, waiting to collab with me. But yeah, let's get right into this video. So as y'all can see, today's video is gonna be about PSD, right? They sent me a new package. Last video did pretty good, I think like 20K views. Y'all niggas weird as hell. Y'all was commenting some shit on the video. I'm like, bro. Anyways, man, y'all seen a lot of that video. So my guy at PSD hit me up and he was like, hey man, the video did good. We're about to send you some more shit. I'm like, bet. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to make this real quick because I got a football game I need to go watch, feel me? So yeah, let's hop right into the video. So they sent me a lot of shit actually. What do I start with? Okay, let's start with the little shit first, okay? So first things first, they sent me some socks, right? Some gray socks. Boom. Not too crazy. I think they sent me these last time, but I think in white. Next thing they sent, what is this? Okay. Oh shit. They got tees? That's crazy. I didn't even know. So they sent me a t-shirt. I didn't even know PSD got t-shirts. I'm just thinking it's like straight underwear and shit. But hey, they sent me a t-shirt. I hope they got my size right. Hey man, bro, let me take off my shirt real quick, bro. Hey man, did I lose weight, guys? Did I look like I lost weight? Because I did. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I did lose some weight. But I should fit this. It's a medium. So yeah, let's put it on. This should look fire. Boom. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly how my shit will fit. Right. Let's go. Okay. So this is an all black tee with the PSD logo on it. Back's plain. I fucks with it. Oh shit. What the hell? So they sent me. Oh, I was about to say, what the fuck is this? But they sent me these tights. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these because I don't really be wearing shit like this. But hey man, it's PSD, man. So for all my hoopers out there, you know, y'all will get you some of these. This is a medium as well. All right, y'all can see the tag right there, but it might be too bright. But yeah, cool little tight for my basketball, my football players out there. Moving on to the underwears. So moving on to the first pair, we have, okay, this is fire. We have this babe looking pair. Let's rip it right open. I don't know if I want to try this shit on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all because like y'all was saying some weird ass shit in the comment section. Y'all weird. Most of y'all, not all of y'all. But this is the first pair. Fire. I fuck with the design a lot. On the back, it has like, I don't know if y'all can see like diamonds and shit. So it's pretty cool, by the way, for those of you wondering, this is a medium, right? All my PSD underwear is all in the medium. Next piece we have, bro, PSD got the best designs when it comes to underwear, in my opinion, man. I don't know about y'all, but like, hey man, this is the next one. Blue and pink, another like babe type of design. Feel me? This is the front, this is the back, and just to show y'all the inside. So like I mentioned in my old video, PSD is basically like a brand that makes underwear for athletes, like if you play soccer or football, basketball, whatever the case may be, and you don't want that sweaty balls. Like y'all should like get you some of these. So it's like breathable, you know, so you don't sweat and shit like that. Your balls don't stink after practice and shit. So yeah, this is like the only underwear I put on. I don't play no sports no more. I just play football, soccer, whatever you want to fucking call it. But I stopped. But like I usually just like hit the gym, and these be coming in clutch when I sweat and shit, doing cardio and stuff like that. So next one, we have some Marvel underwear. This is how the packaging looks like, by the way, right? This is the back, and then all the info y'all need as far as like material and shit, it says it on here, so y'all can screenshot that, read it, whatever you want. Oh yeah, this is tough. Damn, this is tough. Iron Man, that's tough. Boom. Okay. Oh, that shit look like, bro, that shit look like it's fucking dancing on camera, bro. The diamonds and shit from afar, that shit look like it's dancing. That's crazy. But this is another design. It says drip on it. I don't know if y'all can like see it with all the diamonds and shit. It says drip on it, and then on the back as well. So okay, so this is the last pair. And by the way, the packaging, when y'all get your shit, like you can actually see how it looks like before you actually open it. I believe this is a Playboy piece. Oh, this is tough. This is tough, bro. How the fuck they be coming up with this shit, bro? Like, this is a fire ass design. So you have the Playboy, the logo on there, and then you have the butterflies and shit, bro. This is tough. This is hard. So they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of underwear, and then they sent me some socks, some tights, and then this shirt I got on right here. So shout out my guys at PSD, man. They're always showing me love. So I'm about to try these on so I can tell y'all how they feel, and then y'all can actually see how it fits, you feel me? But y'all, please don't be weird in the comment section, man. Y'all stop commenting all that fucking heat packing bullshit, you feel me? But yeah, let's get right to the try on, man. I'm gonna try on like these right here, cause this is my favorite. And then next up, I'm gonna try these right here, cause it looks like the two best out of all of them, you feel me? So yeah, okay. So these are the first pair. Like I said, athletes and shit, and y'all is like you don't like your underwear like that going up while you like play sports. These are actually gonna stay the way they are, you feel me? Like every time I got my PSDs on and I hit the gym, like do cardio and stuff like that, I never like have to worry about them like, you know, always stretching up and shit. These are the first ones, right? No homo, you feel me? So we're gonna try out the other ones now. So these are the second ones. These like the babes with the diamonds on it. All right, y'all, so that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you boys and girls, if any girls watching, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, man, so I'm back, you know what I'm saying? Go tell your brother, your sister, your mom, everybody, man. Tell them to come back to the channel. Now your boy T's back, you feel me? I got hella videos planned for you guys, like I mentioned earlier. I have a package from Boohoo, man, right here. I'm actually waiting on another one so I can make this video for you guys. And then I also got hella collabs coming up with brands, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I'm waiting for is just the package to get here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting on that. Once that gets here, boom, 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 I'm gonna be bringing out videos and shit. But yeah, this was like a quick video just to like tell your boys I'm back, you know what I'm saying? But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and most importantly, go show my guys at PSD some love, you know? They're showing me love, I'm showing y'all love, go show them some love, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know what to do. It's been your boy T, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace, love you guys.
New car, new chain, new watch, new spot, nigga ain't new op, new Glock, get shot. Cold